Are you still using that concrete pump primer? This is the new generation of pump primer, the revolution for pumping machines. Hi, I'm Pumpman, and I love concrete and pumping machines. Today, I have some great information for all concrete fighters around the world. First, let me ask a question. As a concrete fighter, what do you have to respect in order to do your jobs? Concrete. If you love concrete, then you can't forget about the most important thing. Do you know what it is? Here it is, concrete pump primer. We can't do our jobs without this. For sure, you have to respect the pump primer every day. But some are not sure if the primer is good for the environment or not. What chemicals are in it? Will it damage our Earth? For sure, we do not want to destroy our lovely planet. Today, we have great news for all concrete fighters. We've made a brand new pump primer using amazing technologies. This is the next generation of concrete pump primer, ECOSURU. Check this out. It's a small bag, but this can cover one whole pumping machine. Small, but powerful. We are going to show you all the details of ECOSURU. You will love this. ECOSURU has 3 great features. Firstly, this material contains no chemicals and will be disassembled naturally. This doesn't cause any damage to the environment. Secondly, we can reduce a huge amount of CO2, carbon dioxide. The air is so good. And lastly, you can save your time for cleaning up because this primer keeps your pumping machine clean. So, ECOSURU is made with super ecology materials, and it's much better than the others. And it's very small. Let's try the previous way of doing it. It won't move. I can't do it. I give up. Just as I thought, ECOSURU is way faster. ECOSURU is super easy to handle. Only 3 steps. 1. Find a large bucket and put in a small amount of water. Then the ECOSURU. 2. Add 15 liters of water while stirring with a blender. Don't forget. 3. Just wait for 15 minutes and you are good to go. You can make this in advance, even up to a week prior. So check if it's turned to gel. Then stir it again. And you're good to go. Hey, check this out. Here we have the piston type. Put the ECOSURU in here, drink it all up, and make great concrete for me. Great. See? Super great. Can you believe this? Concrete comes out so smooth. Understand? This small bag can cover 1 pumping machine. Let me say again, this is a super ecology product. ECOSURU can save soil, air, trash, and doesn't damage the planet.
非常にエコですね、名前の通り。
モルタルはもういらないです。混ざりもんがないからすごいいいコンクリが打てたと思います。
もちろんもうやめられませんよ。
これ素晴らしいものだと思います。
日本中で使ってほしいです。
Well, I could do some great concrete work. Let's go back home. So, how was ECOSURU? I know you'll enjoy the new pump primer so much. Now, all you brothers watching this movie, just do it. Try ECOSURU. Quality products are always expensive. Don't worry about price. ECOSURU will save not only our beautiful planet, but also your money. ECOSURU is the new generation of pump product. You can get this at Pumpman. Check the Pumpman webpage. We will send you ECOSURU ASAP. Also, Pumpman has many original items for pumping machines. We have used pumping machines on the website too. Oh, concrete fighters, we are on your side. Pumpman is always next to you. ECOSURU, Pumpman!
ECOSURU最高。
エコスル最高。